Governor Brad Henry's embryonic stem cell veto stands. An attempt to override the veto failed Thursday morning. Governor Henry waited until after the House adjourned about 11 p.m. Wednesday to veto House Bill 1326. That bill would have made it a crime for scientists to perform any form of embryonic stem cell research. The Oklahoman's Michael McNutt reports Governor Henry waited out legislators Wednesday night to give him and bill opponents, such as business leaders and healthcare providers, more time to persuade lawmakers to sustain his veto. Wednesday was the deadline for the governor to veto the bill. This morning, the legislature voted. The Republican-controlled House voted 68-26 to override the veto. The override attempt then moved to the Senate, and that's where it failed. Senators voted 26-19, but they needed 32 votes to override it. Two-thirds of the legislature must vote to override a veto. Governor Henry issued a statement shortly after the Senate vote saying, quote, "I would like to thank the legislators, particularly members of the Senate, who took the time to educate themselves, cut through the misinformation, and cast a vote in favor of life-saving scientific research that can bring hope to thousands of Oklahomans suffering from debilitating diseases."
You know, what those of us that supported my veto are saying, what the business community is saying, what medical workers and researchers are saying is, rather than just discard those cells, why don't we can use those for life-saving research to treat cancer and Alzheimer's and all kinds of diseases. We can potentially take someone who has been paralyzed with a spinal cord injury and allow them to walk again. We can potentially help someone who has been blind all of their life see. We can save lives. And so to me, it is about life. It's about saving lives, and that's what my position was all about. And it just would have been, as I've said, morally repugnant to me to sign legislation that would simply discard and destroy these embryonic stem cells.